This is the third year of epidemic, but our customers are getting closer and closer to our buyers. The epidemic does not affect our foreign trade. Our Chinese suppliers and overseas buyers are very satisfied with today's 2 online business meetings. Before the epidemic, our suppliers can invite buyers to participate in the exhibition, come to the factory, and also place orders face to face. We still remember that when we first held online conferences, some of our supplier bosses didn't know how to speak English and they would get nervous when facing the video. Now they can hold up their phone anytime to show their factories. But our customers didn't understand why they needed to participate in the video conference before. Now we have at least 800 online conferences every day. Some industry conferences get crazy appointments from our suppliers, and foreign buyers are rushing to participate in our conferences.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.